Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present to you garden decoration idea. Garden wall decoration. In addition to colorful plant on your garden borders, you can fence the wall with them too. You can use lush green foliage and pretty blooms like bougainvillea and lavender to name a few to cover the walls and fence. A botanical backdrop against the garden tea table or sitting area. Garden ornaments. The list of creative garden decor ideas also include garden ornaments. Different ornaments can be included such as garden grooms, gazing spheres, ceramic frogs, and other garden statues and sculptures to add more life to garden.